Are you finally ready to build strong bones, get into shape faster, and improve strength and balance? Don't worry, you can conquer all of this without a personal trainer with my 10 lessons on Curious.com. Each and every single lesson is broken down into individual steps so that you can learn exactly how to master the weight room, train like a pro, and feel confident in the gym. In 10 lessons, you can learn how to build each and every part of your body. And every single workout is broken down so that you are able to follow along and build the strength that you need to conquer the gym like a pro. Your form will also be perfect. Hi, I'm Courtney Bentley, certified personal trainer through NASM. I've been a trainer for over 5 years, and I'm now a teacher on Curious.com. I'm excited to be a teacher and share my knowledge with you so that you can take what I know and bring it with you to the gym. You also get the opportunity to ask me questions and interact with me as your teacher. You will also be held accountable through the lesson to make sure you're paying attention. Print out the attachments so that you're able to perform the workouts at the gym or at your house. Each workout is broken down into each and every single movement, and then you can watch the full workout so that you can follow along. I also have exercises that hold you accountable and attachments and printouts for you to be able to take all of this with you to the gym. Not a reason why you should skip this course. This course will prepare you and give you 10 lessons on how to be your very own personal trainer. Log on to Curious.com, cardio fitness workouts, and master that weight room, train like a pro, and feel confident in the gym with me as your teacher. Just click here or check out the description below for a personal link that's going to give you 20% off this course and more. I also have 2 other courses on there, so there's not a reason you shouldn't click now today.